Hi everyone, Miss Kelly here. Thanks for joining us at our CPCC YouTube channel. Today I have a DIY activity, a sensory experience for you to do outside with your children. What are two things that are loved by most children? Dirt and water. Today I filled a bucket of dirt with some cars and trucks and a spoon for digging. You can add whatever other accessories you have at your house. We could even add some rocks to play in, but all you need is two big bins, one of dirt and whatever accessories you choose, as I said. And then after the kids have played in the dirt with their cars and their trucks, and they've dug and their cars get all dirty, what does your car need? It needs to go to the car wash. In this bin, we just have some soapy water. I have some different brushes. I have a toothbrush, a scrub brush, a dish brush. Again, you can talk about sizing, the feel of things, how one substance is a liquid, how one is a solid. So many things are learnt by simply playing. As Maria Montessori says, play is a child's work. So have fun playing outside with your child in the dirt and the water, making a fun sensory activity. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to take pictures of you doing your activity and send them to us. Until later, be safe, be well.